some of the amounts in there, and it's different handwriting. So I don't know who's. It's not the judge's handwriting.
Okay. Well, she's working on the order, but if you have, what's your question though? She got the same thing you got from the court that I know of.
Yeah, but who's putting in those amounts underneath the on exhibit option 1, page 1, exhibit A? Who's putting in those amounts?
I don't know. You have to ask the court because we're already done with it.
You can see where the judge, where he's actually, okay and putting his initials. It's two totally different handwritings. And
then you will have to ask the court, and then I can let Ms. know that she's working on the order.
Okay. Let's see. Did I send it off to? I'm looking to see when I sent it to. 14, 12.
And what was that? Your email in regards to, sir?
In regards to the actual order, the preparation order, and what?
Oh, Ms. Hall's working on it. When she's done with the order, she will email it to you as well, correct?
Okay. Yeah, but I had questions in reference to. That was my questions in reference to. Yeah, I sent it to you on November 14th.
Do you mind resend it to me because I don't recall getting anything from you, sir? Please. And then we always reply or acknowledge. So it's always better to call as well when you send an email just to make sure we got it. And somebody's always here. But I'll let Ms. know, Mr. Mordecai, and then if any questions, I guess when she's done with the order, we'll email it to you.
Okay, I just emailed it. I don't know if you got it.
Okay, I'll get your email right now.
Okay, it's sending.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. She claimed it was, we got the same order as what you got. When I told her I was at the courthouse, what is it that you're asking? Well, I'm asking to clarify this. All this mumbo jumbo, this fraud, this is fraud. Let me speak to the attorney. Still haven't spoken to her. Let's go a little further. We'll go a little further. Y'all ready? We'll find out what's going on with this final judgment. So here, I picked up Mal and I asked a question to his mother, LaTanya Johnson. Have you spoken to your lawyer? No, for what? But when I dropped him off, and that video is posted, it's going to be made public, how Mal has been wanting to go home with his blanket and his pillow as some kind of security measure. And when you're dealing with kids or with autism, Mal has never done that before. And he's been doing it. I asked the question, why does Mal want his blanket and his pillow? He don't need that. He got blankets and pillows at the house. Something is going on. He wants to protect himself. He's getting in the car with his blanket and pillow, and she's fussing at him, sitting right next to her. Give that back. Give that back. He don't need that. I said, you don't understand autism. You must not understand. I know about autism. How you know about autism? You never did do anything with him. All you do is buy clothes, steal clothes. Worry about, he did his jacket. He has a Michael this and Jordan that and materialistic. And you come to find out you only have a 5th grade education. That's why you got fired from that damn job. You had a good job. But you lied at MD Anderson working in research, and then people figured out that you couldn't even type on a computer. You're not computer literate. They've been enabling you for the past 5 years, going on them art meetings, and I see people in the background in the reflection telling you what to say, and you never said nothing in regards to his education. Nothing. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Yes, I'll buy this. I can buy that. Buy this, buy that. You had that old criminal, Ananias Johnson Jr., that y'all claim was on the run for his life, fear for his life because I put that he was a child molester on Facebook. This came out in court. I said, no, I never done that. However, on my YouTube channel, the same nigga that you had tried to jump me on 9/11 of 2020 and on 9/6 of 2021, Ananias Johnson Jr., the criminal, the ex-con on parole, that you lied and said he had his own home. That nigga was homeless, living out of garbage bags. Must have told the nigga that was your house. And it wasn't. Had the same dude you had sneaking in the house while me and Mal was in Louisiana. Same nigga that went to prison, did a bid in the 90s, I think in 92 and 97, something like that. He did at least 4 or 5 years. Lied to CPS. CPS even lied for y'all. Y'all figure y'all can do y'all little hoodoo and shit on my pictures. Get y'all little spiritual hitmen, the actual hitmen, to take me out. People hiding in the community in cars, following me. I've seen the red cars, I've seen the blue, the Crips, like I said, the Crips and the crooked cops. Stupid Stanley ended up calling me. You was fucking with him. Stupid Stanley called. Y'all tried to set me up then, saying I went to MD Anderson and threatened you or whatever, when it was actually, he was trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. You get rid of Ananias Johnson Jr. and by him trying to fight me, and if he got in trouble, he went back to jail, and if he killed me, then you get all the money, and you get Mal and all this, and the house and everything. It didn't work. And that little $30,000 life insurance policy you had on me from State Farm, that you didn't think I knew about, all them vehicles that's registered in your name that's popping up underneath my DMV information, that BMW. I ain't have to fight you for that shit in court, because it's all gonna come out. So now, I've been called to do a reading on y'all. And we're gonna see what the final outcome is for you and whoever was involved with making these fraudulent claims and forging a judge's signature on a ruling. What we got? Page of Cups. It's a message. Page of Cups in the reverse. Page of Cups in the reverse. Let me turn my phone around.